So what I know about this fourth project recipient is she's a battered woman and she's separated from her husband. She's losing hope. She wants to end it all, but there's a couple that help her and let her live in the barn near the chicken. And then she is now thinking of why she has to end it all when she has a little kid. Her youngest, she had 3 kids, I think, and her youngest is still like 5-6 years old. It's not his fault, so at least she's looking at hope, and then she wants to provide for herself. So I'm here right now in the shop of my welding man, and Sir Danny has already made the frame for the pedicab that will be given to Dudong Docampo. So that's the bike. Daloy has taken it down by the motorbike, and then this is the third wheel. This is the one I picked up yesterday. We'll just bring it one by one so it won't be so much here that it will pile up. Because it's hard to carry it by motorbike anyway. So this is the frame now. You can see that it's welded properly. I want the job done, and then the thickness of the metal used. So I could hear my voice. I could hear my voice around here. They're watching my videos. So I am now mailing my first merchandise sale, the mug, to Australia. Thank you so much, Simon and Ruth, for the support. This is our local post office here in the barangay Talamban, and that will be shipped all of it tomorrow. This is also where I get my mail, and I'm also friendly with the people here, so I know it's going to be sent properly and not lost. I am now on my way to Colon Street again to canvas for the prices of a manual sewing machine. This will be my project number 4 for this battered woman that I haven't even met yet, but one of my team has checked on her and she believes that she is deserving. So I will be interviewing her soon. I will be going there in the mountains where she lives in the now, and I'll be going with a registered medical practitioner because she has a young kid to check on them as well. And all these things that I'm doing, like going around canvassing for prices, is costing me money. It stops me from producing so much videos like I used to do, but it's more rewarding. So any donation sent to my channel, less the taxes, only be spent on the project itself. All my running around, my expenses, my transportation, my time in organizing all this is given for free. Now someone is so concerned that how about the video views that I get from this charity works? Now you gotta remember that my running around, transportation, accommodation, food are all paid by yours truly, not charged to the donation. So do you think might as well that the video views, less my expenses and all that, be taken from the video views? Because I'll never touch the donations sent only to the project. I don't charge anything. In fact, if the donation is not enough, I know I'll only get it from my old B husband. So if you are so concerned that the videos of the charity are gonna rake in millions, I think you're wrong. My other videos, when I'm just walking around streets, when I'm just eating on restaurants, are getting more views than the helping videos that I do. So right now I'm on my way to Colon, like I mentioned, to canvas on prices of a manual sewing machine, and all these expenses, petrol, time, are not charged to the donations. It's paid by myself. So here we go, green light. So I'll be going around Colon Street because that's around that area where you can get cheaper prices than around the malls. And also manual sewing machines are also available there, not around here in the malls anyway. And I was so pleased about the both bicycles, and I have sent one set bicycle and a third wheel to the welder this morning, as you can see in my footage for this morning. I am now here in Colon Street canvassing for the prices of the manual sewing machine, brand new. So this is the iconic Colon Street. I'm just gonna have to look for a parking space and then park there, and then I'll just walk around. I'm walking around Colon Street now to see where I can find the prices for this manual sewing machine. So I'm passing through Vision Theater. So I could remember I've seen those manual sewing machine around this area here in Santiago. So I'll ask here in the family appliance. Ma'am, namoy ka ng manual nga sewing machine? Ay, sir. Makin na ba? Asa man na makuan, sir? Asa na ka mapalit, anak? Manual.
Hindi ko idea kasi kamukuha na naman. Ito yung branch dito sa naman.
Singer.
Dito na sa may UB, tayo mo sa may UB ma'am. Tapos kumanin na ikuan na singer.
Ay, singer dia. Dito lang yun, yagi ko.
Nasaan siya, doon siya sa Bank Makati.
Mao ba? Ako niyang suwayan. Ako
Wala,
nang suwayan ko
garapitan
no.
to, sa UB.
Napuno dia kanang sanad. Kanang may utangan dia diha. Jumilan.
Jumilan ah. Wala ko naman.
Mao ba? Wala. Sige, sir. Sige, thank you dong. So they don't have the manual sewing machine. I'll try this one here on the other side. So I was asking there if they have a manual sewing machine. They don't carry that because seldom people look for that. But I'll check. There's a one that I have seen this before here in Santiago Street across the University of Cebu. This is the parking space, the parking area. 9 out of 10 you can't find a parking space. It's raining all the time in the afternoon around here since June. So it's very muddy and got puddles everywhere. JM Marketing is what I want to go. That green building there. So what I know about this port project recipient is she's a battered woman and she's separated from her husband. She's losing hope. She wants to end it all, but there's a couple that help her and let her live in the barn near the chicken. And then she is now thinking of why she has to end it all when she has a little kid. Her youngest, she had 3 kids, I think. and her youngest is still like 5, 6 years old. It's not his fault. So at least she's looking at hope, and then she wants to provide for herself. And the sewing machine will make a difference to her life, because she don't want to get back to her husband anymore. She's been suffering for so long, and all the people that help me, sending help to help her, you are now saving someone's livelihood, someone's life again, you know, like this is like a desperate woman who's losing hope, but now she will be pushed to fight hard for her youngest son, because the two eldest is already married. So I'm gonna check on this JM Marketing, cross over here, see if they got the thing I'm looking for. So this is Jones Avenue, or now known as Osmeña Boulevard, and this is Santiago Street crossing. We're waiting for the lights to go green. Now it's green. We can cross, and I can check on this JM Marketing Corporation. Pagani?
Oh, sa samahan.
Na sila? Bago dili.
Mga bago, mga brand new.
Mau ba?
Daghan ka sila dia.
Sige, thank you dong ha. So I will have to go here. They don't carry that manual sewing machine anymore. They said right on the end of this Santiago Street, there is a sewing machine seller. So this is downtown scenes. There's a, oh my god. There's another one that lives on the street as well. These people there's a task force of the local government that pick up this like stray, homeless, and they keep on getting away from the institution. Only a few remains. Wow. Look at this old woman here. So
Bili na, Sunday, overall, murang presyo, baklaran, regular price, lalaki, 130, babae, 120 na lang.
I will have to check on my friends there in that Silawan Furnitures. Guys. So this is the One Central Hotel located here in corner Santiago. And Leon Kilat Street. This is Leon Kilat. That is Santiago on the crossing. This is Leon Kilat. So that's the Cebu City Traffic Enforcer. CCTO is Cebu City Traffic Officer. I'll ask here if they can refer me to someone. Juliet. Maka-refer ka na ko asa ko mupalit og kuan ga kanang sewing machine nga manual. So the owner of Silawan was telling me there is somewhere here like a Singer sewing machine shop that I could find on this street. So this is going to Cebu Coliseum. This is the back of E-Mall. That's E-Mall right there, and we are still on San Siangco Street. Huh. So you can see this is not the posh parts like uptown. So singer. There's a Q hotel here. J-Lab clinics here. This is like Pungko to Slubuwa. Halal eatery. Sir, asa may namaligya diri kadang makina nga manual?
Tikon mo din no. Ano yun yung manual na?
Ay, tanaw na ko, sir. Oh, sige, thank you, ha. He's pointing at this Denman Enterprises, so I could ask the pricing. I'm gonna have to mukan mo. There, this is Denman Enterprises. Dong! Hala, darada ay daghan. Tagpila inyong sewing machine nga manual radong. Aw ba, mangutan?
Hinanang ko ay table, 7.5. Kaya siya hinahanda, 8.5.
Brand new diga?
Surplus na siya, brand new na to, kahit tag-11.
Mao ba? Surplus ni siya.
Surplus Japan na siya, China na ni mga brand new.
Ang wala brand new nga Japan.
Wala, China na siya mga brand new.
So this is bilang ga 7.5.
5 to white na table, ma'am.
Kani 7.5. This is a 7,500 for second hand. So China na ni dinig ko nang di na siya original ga.
Mga brand new, kani siya mga surplus, wala ni magamit nila sa ato.
Mao ba? So these are the surplus like pila sa ni siyang itom kaninani ga?
Wala siya 8.5.
8.5. So 8,500.
Brand new na yung kahon, na yung surplus ang ulo ang yan.
So it's the machine is and the bottom is the second hand. But ang table ani brand new na niga. Mo deliver mo?
Asa man na?
Dapit Talamban.
Deliver ah.
Mo deliver ah?
Talampan, asa sa talampan.
Pitos.
Ganun
Okay ra.
lang.
Mula.
Sa pit of deliver gani.
Mo ba? Okay. Oh, lapas na gid mo. Maayo, ma'am.
Sa katuig atong warranty ana.
1 year warranty. So kani mga inani ma'am nga dili tindak-tindak, dili tindak.
Ako na siya mga Dixon Street tindak yapon.
Tindak yapon.
Pero kani siya on street na siya 8.5 mahal siya gamay.
Pila ni siya ma'am. So this one, they're all surplus. They're not selling brand new anymore from the manual.
Exact.
12,000. Pero kanimo 8,500 ma'am no?
8.5 ko. Kana siya straight ra na siya. Kani duha mo ko siya bali dala niya. Pwede siya straight, pwede mo
Zigzag. Okay. So this is the one then they deliver it free. 11 kani 8,500. Straight ra gyud siya, straight stitching. Pero ang mga brand new ano wala na jud ay brand new ron available na ni ma'am.
Wala brand new na Japan ng China na siya basta ito na makina.
So, ang brand new nga China how much? Pila?
Ano siya 11.
11,000. Mana siya brand new ma'am?
Kani nga side ang kanila.
Diha, brand new.
Dili mga Japan ang dili nga size.
This is the Japan but these are used ones. So that's the one that's
Brand new.
brand new. So I have to think which one. You got China brand new and then a second hand but Japan. And it looks the same to me.